figure out how they look in the pieces. So I'm going to do, you're going to go through and do the questions 2 through 11, 12, and then I'm going to help you with number 2. So,
No, you get your trying
what you're going to need first is you're going to need those 2
Therefore,
So you're going to need volume.
Okay, we got about 10 seconds left, and then we're going to go over the first one.
Divided by volume. And then we have those other, somebody showed me a couple of ways to remember this. I don't know if you guys have seen this before. If you have trouble remembering these,
Yay!
you can say this.
Time's up. Saved by the bell.
Remind you of the math.
Alright, so here's your first proof, the one with the rectangle on that. If you look at that, what do you guys notice?
It's a rectangle.
It's a rectangle. Yep. What do you notice as far as the blanks we got to fill in?
Yeah.
There's 6.
This is the way to remember the 3 formulas.
There's 8.
Density
And then there's
divided
8.
by volume.
So you need 3 statements with 3 reasonings. Then you need your conclusion statement and why it's congruent. Yes. You want to do it? So all of these, I'm sure you guys are familiar, all of these move.
That's
when you look on them. So we need the 3 statements and then the reasonings that go with them. Chantel, you want to start?
Right, or that's how I get math by itself. If I multiply size by b, I end up with density times.
What do you guys think? Side, angle, side?
I think it's
If I want to find volume by itself, volume is equal to mass.
Oh. Is side, side, angle an option? No. Alright.
So these are the 2 formulas you need. But now, these aren't new formulas. Is there something?
That's a statement?
that's wrong.
What?
Statement or is it a reason?
What do you guys think?
I think it's the one she asked.
Whatever she has.
Where does side, angle, side, 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 where does it go in our proofs? In the therefore part.
Yours isn't fun. Yours doesn't click it. Yours doesn't shove it backwards.
No, it doesn't.
What is it there for? I think I missed something.
That one works. Okay, so we're all fairly confident in side, angle, side, right? Because we have this side, that angle in the corner, and then that side that they're sharing, that diagonally share it. So now if it's side, angle, side, we need to list what are the sides, what are the angles, what's the other side. So what's one side? CD. Where is it? Alright. CD and AB are congruent. How do we know that? Because the diagram says so. What else do we know?
AD is equal to DA because they share the same side.
AD and DA because they share the same side. What else do we know? Chris, what do these swoopy marks mean? They're what? They're angles, and what do they mean about the angles? Nope, not when they're swoopies.
Yeah, I missed this.
They're what?
Class.
Jordan, how about the swoops? What do the swoops mean?
They're congruent.
They're congruent. So the angles are congruent because that's what the diagram told us. The diagram told us that they're congruent. So these are your 3 statements, and a lot of you are forgetting that you need 3 reasons to go with each statement. So now that we got side, angle, side, we know that the triangles are congruent by side, angle, side. Okay? So we got 3 statements, 3 reasonings. The reasonings go with the statements, and then we have our conclusion. So this is what a good proof would look like. Okay.
Water has a density.
Alright, next one. Who's my volunteer? I'm done. I retire. Jordan, you wanna do it?
Oh.
You don't have to write anything, you should click and drag. Shay?
it.
Chantel, you wanna do it again?
Try and bring up Emily's notes.
Well, then, that's the
Sure.
all the rest of it.
Emily could help you.
Wait, you never helped me. Oh, you don't need it. Okay, so.
Did you get the last part?
So, yeah, the council will brought up the thing.
I even read it.
There are two.
I didn't.
Yeah.
You should have an applause.
One if you know, one if you know math.
Oh, wait, hold on, let's delete
So
this.
this one, I know that the water has density.
This go here.
Stay with water.
And.
Why do you wanna say
That's the
that?
start of it. That's how you start it, right?
Yep, that's a good start.
Because I have some water, they mass, so I know a density
Well, what is this?
here. The mass.
Is this an angle or a side?
I need to find, how much space does it take to make that as well?
That's, well, it says
I know
therefore.
that.
So it would be,
I know math.
that goes
Which
there.
is a.
Well, how do we know the diagram says so?
Because
There are those tick marks, yep, so the diagram says so.
So is it a number or a sentence?
What?
Diagram.
This is one statement with one reasoning.
It's mass divided by.
That's another statement. Now we need the reasoning.
This one?
So A and D are A and D vertical angles. What? A and D? A and D, are they vertical?
So this will be easy math.
What does a vertical angle look like?
Oh, right next to each other.
Next to each
Oh,
other.
okay, so,
Are these right next to each other?
no.
And so what's the
Is that the
volume?
same side? No, the diagram says so.
What's the volume of this water?
There's your swoops.
And volume is always what's.
How do we know that? Because those are vertical angles, yep. Therefore, they're congruent by angle, side angle. Those are vertical angles. So this proof looks at your knowledge that you got vertical angles right here. So we got side, angle, angle, but the angles in the or the sides in the middle, so it's angle, side, angle. Does anyone need this up longer? This would be a good proof.
Oh, grams, is that a mass? Is this grams, is that a mass, a volume, or density? Grams.
It has good math emojis, it has good reasonings. It has good math talk, math symbols.
So if I write our formulas over here, we need density equals mass divided by volume. Mass is density times volume, and volume is mass divided by density. So let's say, what is the substance? So what we need to do, if you look at the chart here, it's got densities here. We need to find density, because we know mass.
Ready for the next one, Chris?
So which of these formula reasons we need to find density? 1 or 2?
All your answers are up here.
Very good.
Can we come back to this? We'll do one more.
So I want you to do that with these two and find out what the density.
You wanna do it, Chris?
On 3. So we're going to do number 3.
No?